I'm never gonna know what it feels like to be normal.
What's going on, guys? The Barefooted Bandit here. Today, or these next couple of days, it's just going to be me and a bunch of friends just hanging out, doing whatever we can. And right now, we're going to be just hanging out on Paso del Grill Beach. And then tomorrow, I'm getting up super early to go manatee watching with my good friend Anne. So we'll be seeing her later in the vlog, and we will just be doing a lot of fun shit. Why are they? They are just stupid people. Good work, dude. Good work. Yo, what is this? It's like a shell. Wait, get back here.
Claire, you're going out to sea. Claire, I cannot touch the bottom. You have to come back.
I can't see the bottom. This. Alright. Beautiful. Come back, you're too far. I don't feel like moving. Come back. Claire, you're barely doing anything.
I am trying. Yay! Yay!
Claire, wait.
I love you so much. Oh my god. Claire, no. I just had face full of salt.
Face wall is Walt.
Fuck you, Ryan.
Claire, wait! Claire!
It's too deep out there.
Don't touch the butt, Claire!
Claire, don't touch the butt. I'm touching the butt.
Oh, god damn it!
Ah!
Fuck you, Claire!
I'm
Come
coming
back.
for you.
Go get her, Alex. I'm too lazy. Claire, come back! We're drowning, Claire! Let me help you guys.
You guys built ramps, not walls. Yes.
Trevor?
Trevor? Hey.
Am I helping?
Yeah. Oh my god, I found like the
Gold?
ocean. I found gold. Oh my god, I wish I found gold.
Okay.
Dig for
I give
oil.
up.
Dig for what?
Kidding.
Don't stop grinding. Can we go to China? Got attacked by a fucking 3-year-old.
Nice.
And I saw death. And look, now she's attacking Claire. That's
I know.
really
She came up to, when I was coming over, she was just like, yeah, she died. I yelled over to Claire that you died, and Claire didn't care.
Average. That little girl destroyed my self-esteem. Right? Like, that's how you have good self-esteem when a third grader just destroys it.
Two puppies. Hi, puppies. Hi.
They look so happy.
Hi. 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 Can we pet your dogs? Hi. How's it going? Hello.
So precious.
How old? 10 and 3. Oh, right. Alex.
I'm just in the middle now.
Mother and son.
Oh, wow.
I will definitely. There we
Yeah.
go.
Thank you. Have a good one.
We love falling deeper, drown ourselves in all that goes on. You say fear the reaper, I say bring him on. You probably follow, I'm on the new wave. You're looking hollow, I found a tell me how you feel, 'cause you say you're living fine all the time, but I know what's real.
I consider that a very successful day today. Tomorrow, I'm getting up bright and early for the manatee watch with my friend Anne. Right now, it's about 5:30 in the morning. I'm gonna go stop by and grab Anne so we can go and meet everybody else at the bus stop. So, this is gonna be a long day. So, why did we decide to do this? What's fun? Alright, so right now we just got all of our shit together and now are going to go try to look for manatees. I think there's a good indication, according to one of the dive masters, that there's a bunch of manatees here, so we'll clearly get a good few shots.
Words that I say, downtown the lights out, but we choose to stay. I don't know where this may go. These strangers know all the words at my shows. I tell, she loving our style. Shit makes her face red whenever I smile. I lay down, takes off her clothes. Wake up, I leave for the door. Tell myself I don't need a drink. I got champagne iced in the sink. They keep calling me for the link. Music's there, but damn, still I think I need you. Words that I say, East Coast to West Coast, we rhyming all day. I really do mean what I say. New York City to LA, got me feeling like, oh no, we bout to blow. We just lay down 6 hit songs in a row. You've been told, it's time you should know.
Now to get your girlfriend in the mood, here's a little number by Quinn.
Hey baby, come inside of my room. I need you to leave out all of that news. I need you by my love, and it's all because you love me. You don't want me out of your sight, but I can't stay here all of these nights. You need me by...
As if I've never done this. Lie low. Been here before. Been here before. As if I've never done this.
I leave this open, feel the way I want to. Fall down in this ocean. Need you to believe I belong. And I apologize if I forget you along the road. I got a lot going for me right now. It's time to move on, time to move on. Sleepless in a hotel room, do not disturb me. Bang bang on the side door, sound check in a minute, gotta hurry. And I miss my family back in the Midwest, don't worry. Brought my manners outside in the world ain't so blurry. Making a move, I said the wrong things. She's at home, think we living like kings. Pictures up on my wall still hang. Still got shit with dudes that she bang. Mostly all my time is spent working. Mostly college girls stay twerking. Nights and weekends spends the time flirting. But every time she hears my record she's hurting. I leave this open, feel the way I want to. Fall down in this ocean. Need you to believe I belong. apologize if I forget you along the road. I got a lot going for me right now. It's time to move on, it's time to move on. Late nights made wake on the album. Think I might just lose it, cause the whole time you was at the party, I was in the basement saying, think I like just music, and my friends getting big jobs in the city. Rock a suit and tie and their girlfriend's pretty. They banking on stocks, but my wordplay witty. But it's all good when it comes to cute, don't pity. And my fans say, my baby, leave the light on. She never knows what I say, but I'm not that person I play to be. That's just the name that you came to see. Shit, I'm just Michael, rotate my life in a cycle. Turns out we're making the news, so I left my baggage in D-Town. Check out my new sound, roll down your windows and cruise. I leave this open, feel the way I want
if you guys
to
enjoyed it,
fall.
please hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to stay tuned for more content like this. Other than that, have a good one.